I know. Yeah, we're supposed to stop in the 50s for the high temperature, and we're in the mid 60s, so we're already, when you start out that warm, you know it's going to be a warm afternoon, especially with the setup that we have on the weather map this morning. So that means that record highs are likely both at GSP, also in towards Asheville. The record high today at GSP is 70, set back in 2009 for a high temperature of 78 there. The record high over in Asheville is 71, set back in 1925. I'm looking for a high temperature of 74 later this afternoon. We've got a lot of cloud cover in some areas this morning, and some of that might take a few hours to move away from us later this morning, but we do expect some sunshine too, so that's just going to accelerate the warmth for us. There's no rain falling where we are, but there has been a lot of rain up to our north and also out to our west. As a matter of fact, some stormy conditions in eastern sections of Kentucky. None of that's moving in our direction, so as that front backs up, it's going to make way for the bigger front to arrive here on Friday morning. So ahead of it, southwesterly winds are pulling in that warmth and moisture. Along the boundary is where we have the active weather. So again, from Kentucky back into Arkansas, Oklahoma, North Texas, it's raining ahead of the front, and that front is going to push in our direction to arrive here tomorrow morning. And there is some cold air behind it, so we're going to get back to reality over the weekend. So today is your day to get outside and enjoy the warm weather. It's certainly going to be around for us all day today. It'll be breezy at times as well, with those winds out of the southwest at about 8 to 15 miles per hour. And this front's going to try to bring the mountains a couple of showers by late tonight into early tomorrow, but the upstate has a better chance of staying dry. As the front continues to push to the east during the day tomorrow, we're going to really start to see those temperatures dropping in the mountains. But for the upstate, I think we'll hold on to the fairly warm conditions for one more day, and then we see some cloud cover, much chillier weather moving in for the weekend. Winds are out of the southwest right now, breezy in some spots, blowing at 14 miles per hour there in Spartanburg. South wind at 12 in Asheville. It's 62 there, 65 in Gaffney, 64 in Spartanburg, 62 in Anderson. Here's your forecast for the next 72 hours. Look for a high in the upper 70s today, down to 58 tonight, still 70 for tomorrow. Then as we go into the weekend, 54 is close to average, so that's where we're going to be. A big drop in temperature, but it's going to be back to reality, down just to above freezing Saturday morning and Sunday morning, and a high of only 50 on Sunday. We do bring the rain back, and it looks like the first half of next week will be unsettled as far as showery weather goes. Best chance of any heavy rain next Tuesday. And there's your mountain forecast. Nice and warm today, starting to cool down tomorrow, and cold once again going through the weekend. All right, let's get over to Emily for